It really is an exciting time for me. I think back to a couple of years ago, and I must tell you that a lot of my friends and people who I work with would always, make fun of me. तुम कहीं भी जब जाते हो तो अपने वही kids और jeans पहन के पहुंच जाते हो. So this is a great step up for me in terms of personal style. So I'm very thankful to be part of the Code by Lifestyle team and to be the face of Code by Lifestyle for other people. Hopefully we'll be going from strength to strength with every passing year, and I look forward to this association growing. And of course, I've enjoyed wearing the clothes in the few images that were shown to you in the AV. There was a lot, unfortunately, that could not be worn because we ran out of time. But I really did have a great time and felt great wearing those clothes. So thank you very, very much. मतलब मैं वही कहता हूँ जो मैं पहन रहा हूँ. That's usually what I answer. जहाँ तक मेरे फैशन का या स्टाइल का सेंस है, in all honesty, I should admit that Oduna has a very huge role, to play in it. That truly is a sense that I had of what I should wear and what my hair should be like. Things like this before Oduna was in my life and then after. And a certain degree of importance. I think first appearances, first impressions are important. And there's a certain realization that I've had over time about that. And I think this is an extension, of that, because I truly feel that these are very comfortable, at the same time very cool clothes that anyone can wear. And there's a great range on offer by Code for Lifestyle, so you can really get a lot to choose from. So for me, it's an extension of this kind of new enjoyment, that I'm having, exploring this new side of my personality. Like, I really feel that over the last couple of years, I have started feeling comfortable, dressing like this. I've started feeling comfortable wanting to wear clothes like this. And I think that's again an extension of what I'm feeling now. So I'm really glad that this association for me personally has happened at a time where I'm really feeling positive about this. मतलब बहुत से लोग हैं जो बहुत I find very stylish. I've always, from the time that I've worked with him, I've always told him that I've found Saif's sense of style very good. Shah Rukh, I think, has a great personal sense of style. Deepika has a great personal sense of style. Priyanka has a great sense of style. Sonam has a great sense of style. So I mean, there's many people, and everyone has their own individual style. It's what you think you kind of like more than others. So I mean, in my taste and in my opinion, these are the people whose style I like.